What is most precious to you? There is a special place with treasures untold at the boundary where land meets water, the most biodiverse ecosystem amongst all others, a place where time slows, not by mankind's design, but by nature's own pace. Precious, priceless, and timeless, a pace that she herself determines. What is most precious to you? Time, a luxury that is sought by many, but only a few can truly savor it. Shared with those you care most about. Time spent for moments that matter. And what if this was your everyday? A place that you could call home. A home befitting what you deem is life's true treasures. A secret hideaway. Your secret hideaway. With time to immerse in one of nature's most majestic creations. Hidden, private, bringing new meaning to calm and serenity. And just beyond the canopy of the forest mangrove are the makings of a world-class city, Gamuda Cove, to complement, balance, and ensure your new way of living. So, what is most precious to you? Wetlands Estates. Here you inherit the gift of time.